Hello, good afternoon everyone. I am Hashan Nanayakar. Yesterday I did some lesson under indices, that is the product of powers, and also I did two sums under that. Today I am going to do the third sum with you at first. Later in other sessions I am going to explain more sums with you. Okay, let's begin. Third question. There are some questions where it is said you have to fill in the blanks. Under this, our first question is 6 to the power 4 is equal to 2 to the power 4 times something else. Okay. Now the thing is, first we have to find 6 as a product of two numbers. Okay. We can write this in two ways. One is 2 times 3, other one is 1 times 6. But here, in here it is said 6 to the power 4 is equal to 2 to the power 4. And also we know 6 is equal to 2 times 3. 6 to the power 4 is equal to 2 to the power 4 times something, and 6 is equal to 2 times 3. So what I am going to do here is, okay, 6 can be written like 2 times 3, so 6 to the power 4 can be written like 2 times 3 all together to the power 4. Okay, same as here. Okay, 6 for an example. AB to the power 4 can be written like A to the power 4 times B to the power 4. Same as 6 to the power 4 can be written like 2 times 3 to the power 4. Okay. So now we can write 2 times 3 to the power 4 because 4 is common to both 2 and 3. We can write it as 2 to the power 4 times 3 to the power 4. Same as here, 8 times b to the power 4 can be written like a to the power 4 times b to the power 4. Same as 2 times 3 all together to the power can be written like 2 to the power 4 times 3 to the power 4. Okay. A times b all together to the power 4 can be written like a to the power 4 times b to the power 4. Same as 2 times 3 all together to the power, same as here, can be written like 2 to the power 4 times 3 to the power 4. Now 6 to the power 4 is already given as 2 to the power 4 times something. According to these two lines, we know 6 to the power 4 is equal to 2 times 3 to the power 4, and 2 times 3 to the power 4 is equal to 2 to the power 4 times 3 to the power 4. So blank is 3 to the power 4. Okay. 6 to the power 4 is given as 2 to the power 4 times something blank. And we know 6 to the power 4 can be 6 can be written like 2 times 3. Okay. So 6 to the power 4 means 2 times 3 all together to the power 4. So 2 times 3 all together to the power 4 can be written like 2 to the power 4 times 3 to the power 4, same as here. A times b to the power 4 can be written like a to the power 4 times b to the power 4. So 2 times 3 to the power 4 can be written like, this is also a product, this is also a product, and product of a power. So we can separately write down it in this fashion. 2 times 3 to the power 4 can be written like 2 to the power 4 times 3 to the power 4. Same as here, the same story. So 2 times 3 all together to the power 4 is equal to 2 to the power 4 times 3 to the power 4. So we can complete the blank with 3 to the power 4. Because 6 to the power 4 is equal to 2 to the power 4 times 3 to the power 4 as well as 2 times 3 to the power 4. Okay. Under this, our second question is third question, second question. What is 5 to the power 3 times 4 to the power 3 equals something to the power 3. Okay. Okay, 5 to the power 3 times 4 to the power 3. Like in here, we can write it as 5 times 4 all together to the power 3. Okay, if we can write 5 times 4 all together power to 4 like this, same as we can write 5 to the power 3 times 4 to the power 3 as 5 times 4 all together to the power 3. Same as here. Suppose this is 3. Okay. 5 to the power 3 times 4 to the power 3 can be written as 5 times 4 all together to the power 3. Here also a to the power 3 times b to the power 3 can be written as inside a times b all together to the power 3. So 5 to the power 3 times 4 to the power 3 can be written like 5 times 4 all together to the power 3. Now to the power 3 is given. We want to find the value here. What is 5 times 4? 5 times 4 is 20 tables. So 20 to the power 3 is equal to 5 to the power 3 times 4 to the power 3. So here the answer is 20 to the power 3. Okay, third question. Third question, third part. 7 to the power 2. 7 to the power 2 times blank equals 35 to the power 2. Okay, 7 to the power 2 times some blank to the power 2 is equal to 35 to the power 2. Okay, we know 7 times 5 is 35. Okay, 7 times 5 is 35. So we can write, we want to find 35 to the power 2. So I am going to square left hand side as well or make it the power 2. So 35 to the power 2 is equal to 7 times 5 all together to the power 2. So we know 7 times 5 all together to the power 2 is equal to 7 to the power 2 times 5 to the power 2. Same as here. If it is a times b all together to the power 5 is equal to a to the power 5 times b to the power 5. Same as 7 times 5 all together to the power 2 can be. Wait. If it is a times b all together to the power 2 can be written like a to the power 2 times b to the power 2. A times b all together to the power 2 can be written like a to the power 2 times b to the power 2. Same as here, 7 times 5 all together to the power 2 can be written like 7 to the power 2 times 5 to the power 2. So 7 to the power 2 is there, something is power to the 2 is equal to 35 to the power 2. So what is the answer here? Okay, this is equal to 35 to the power 2. So 35 to the power 2 is equal to 7 to the power 2 times 5 to the power 2. So here the answer is 5. Fourth question. Fourth question is little easier in comparison to others. Times 10 to the power 2 is equal to 100 to the power 2. Sorry. No, it is not like that. It is like this. Equals 10 to the power 4 times 100 to the power 4. Okay. This means 4 is common to both 10 and 100. So we can write as 10 times 100 all together to the power 4. Like in here, a times b all together to the power 4 can be written like a to the power 4 times b to the power 4. So when we are given a to the power 4 times b to the power 4 means inside bracket a times b same as here 10 times 100 all together to the power 4. Okay. 10 to the power 4 times 100 to the power 4 means 10 times 100 all together to the power 4 same as here a to the power 4 times b to the power 4 can be written like a times b all together to the power 4 and 4 is common to the power 4 is common. Here also to the 4 is common. Now we can find the value here. 10 times 100 means what? 1000. And this is 1000 to the power 4. Okay, 10 times 100 means 1000. So altogether it is 1000 to the power 4. So this here the answer is 1000 to the power 4. Next question. Twelve to the power 5 is equal to 2 to the power 5 times something times 3 to the power 5. Okay, I am going to rewrite 12 as a product of 2 times something times 3. Okay, 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times what is 12? 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times something is 12. 6 times 2 is 12. So we can write 12 to the power 5 as all together to the power 5, and 5 is common to all these three numbers. So 2 to the power 5 is there, 3 to the power 5 is there, plus is 2 to the power 5. So 12 to the power 5 means 2 to the power 5 times 2 to the power 5 times 3 to the power 5. Final sum. Thirty to the power 4. Under third question, final sum. 30 to the power 4 is equal to something to the power 4 times something to the power 4 times something to the power 4. Okay, I am going to write 30 as 10 times 3. Okay, but unfortunately 30 is written as a product of 3 factors. So I am going to break 10 as 5 times 2. 5 and 2. So 30 can be written like 5 times 2 times 3. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 times 3 is 30. Okay, and we want to find 30 to the power 4. 30 to the power 4 is equal to 5 times 2 times 3 all together to the power 4. That means this is equal to 4 is common to 5. So 5 to the power 4, 2 to the power 4 and 3 to the power 4. Okay, that's it for this session. Okay, we will hope to continue next question on the next session. Thank you very much.